like everybody else. I just keep waiting for a lotto ticket out of my boring existence and into a life that means something.
He was the man who charmed Keira Knightley in Atonement and quickly became this year's next big thing, even though he's quite small really, only 5'7". But size isn't an issue in Hollywood. Scottish star James McAvoy is back in a very different role as the star of a new blockbuster action movie called Wanted, and we popped along to meet him. It's weird to say, isn't it? James McAvoy, action hero. Is it sunk in now?
I was very shocked that they wanted to cast me, and I did question my agent and said, why did they want to cast me in this? And she said, they don't. I said, what? She said, no, they want to audition you. I was like, oh, right, okay. So I flew over to America and I did an audition, and then 5 months later they got back to me finally and said, do you want to be in it? And I went, okay.
Wanted features James as an American office worker who discovers he has special powers and joins a mysterious group of superhero assassins. It also stars Oscar winner Morgan Freeman and a certain Angelina Jolie, who James shares an on-screen kiss with. The world's most beautiful woman is apparently quite nice to talk to as well.
She's a good lassie. She has good fun, and we did get on very well. We had a good laugh, and that's the nice thing, isn't it? Because if somebody's a big, humongous superstar, you can get a bit intimidated, but within minutes, you kind of realise that when somebody's cool, they're cool.
Of course, Wanted's all-out use of special effects, bad language and violence means it's a million miles away from James's last film, but then variety is the spice of life. It is very different from a movie like Atonement, so my mum or my gran, who might have enjoyed you in that film, might be not recommended to go and see this movie.
I think your grandmother would love this film. I'm betting your grandmother would love this film.
I think it's ready.
So Wanted provides that action hero tick on the CV for James, and probably one very surreal trip to the cinema for me and my gran. Steve Hargraves, Sky News.